Hi guys, right, quick update on the build. Now we said to you, this is obviously the first time we've ever done this, so we're basically learning as we go along. Now Clint's got in touch to told us there's basically one thing that we cut out that we didn't need to cut out. So we want to obviously keep you updated and keep you fresh of how to do this. And basically it's all to do with the front part of the roof. So Paul's going to take you up, he's basically going to re-weld in what we cut out. We wanted to make sure we bring it to you as soon as possible. Like I said, we're learning as we go along.
It's a learning curve, guys. We've not done this before, like Chris just said, and when we started doing it, we said, do we need to cut this out? Do we not need to cut it out?
Yeah.
Well, apparently we don't need to cut it out, so I'm going to show you what
fit, basically.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is show you what I've cut out. Well, I can't actually show you what I've cut out because it's gone in the scrap pile. But what I'm going to do is show you what I'm going to weld back in to replace the piece of cut out.
So jump up on top of the new awesome looking cab.
Yeah.
We'll show you what's what.
Ready? Go for it. Alright guys, we're back up on the top of the truck with Flickery GoPro cam. Right, this piece above the windscreen, you saw us chopping it. It had the two brackets in where the sun visors go. And we were umming and ahhing whether we needed to cut it out. Well, apparently we don't need to cut it out. You need to retain this lip for strength. Sorry, I'll put my hand in shot, there you go. We need to retain this lip for strength. So what I've done, rather than using the old one, because this is where, now we're up here, I can show you where this is actually bent and ripped anyway. Now this is bent, and this was bent before we cut the piece off, so nothing's moved, but that weld is split. That pillar is torn, so it actually gives me the opportunity to repair this and make it stronger than it was. So if you have a look in there, you can see how that weld is tearing all the way around. That one's actually broke free, and that's nothing to do with cutting this off. That was, you know, prior to it. So what I've done is made some 3mm strips. So I'm actually going to weld that 3mm strip in back there. So this is only like 1.8, something like that, 1.6. So this is now 3, so it's going to be a lot stronger. So I'm going to start welding on this end. I'm going to dress it with the grinder, weld this on the back, weld it all the way around, and just keep following this curve, because literally all we did was grind that off, that edge off. So we've got the original edge to actually weld to, so we can actually tuck this onto the edge, weld it from the back, and replace that piece. So if you're doing this yourself, do not cut this bit off. You don't need to. So, but if you have a look, this piece of metal I've actually had on the what's it is level, and you can see how much that is bent downwards. So it gives me a chance to straighten all these bits anyway. So, like I say, don't cut this bit off. You need to keep that piece and just take the sun visor brackets off. So I'm going to get the welder out and the grinder, get this all done, and we'll show you what it looks like when I've welded it all back in. Beer, the cure-all for when you cock up. And I'm on Hobgoblin Gold, and Chris is on
Braxpear. Oxford Gold.
I guess that's a play on Shakespeare, is it?
Yeah, I'm far too uneducated to have even thought of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
double drop.
Now only if we owned a bottle opener, because the bottle opener's gone off.
It's gone off the side of the truck. Hang on.
Damn it!
Got me handy Leatherman. Where is the bottle opener on this one?
Hang on. Piece of chassis.
That's the tin out of it. Yeah.
That'll do. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's really nice. That'll make me welding better.
I'm going to be beaten by a freaking bottle of beer. Oh, got it.
You've never been beaten by a bottle of beer.
We've only had cans.
Yeah. Easy as screw top. Right, excuse the noise of Chris outside. He's just fettling a piece of fiberglass. But right, we've welded that piece back in. So don't cut that bit out, guys. So that's all back in. We're going to now use that as a datum point to fit the roof. So the inner roof goes in there, into that gap there, and then that is a datum point for fitting the roof. So don't cut that bit off.